Syudad, ang aton niya target is really to plant 10,000 trees by December. And so far, ang aton na tanom mga 2,000 plus na. We have a long way to go. Pero ang Iloilo tree, we are very excited. Because even for me, this is the first time I found out that there is a tree called Iloilo tree. This Iloilo tree, if propagated, will clearly give a sense of pride, a sense of belonging para sa aton mga pumuluyo. Kag siguro bisan ako man, gusto man ko magtanom sa isa ka Iloilo tree sa akon balay, no? Because I want to be part of this. I want to be part of history. I want to be part of the tree which is called Iloilo.
Planting the Iloilo tree in these Capitol grounds. Indeed, this is a significant contribution to the cultural heritage of our city and province, given the fact that, as mentioned, this is the only province which has a tree named in its honor.